The real estate market has made a shift. So, sellers, you do not want to make these 5 mistakes when selling your home. According to the latest housing data, the real estate market is going through a transition. Now, more than ever, it is important to be working with a real estate professional to be the most informed on market shift and updates on the latest changes. Hi, if you are in a market to sell your home, here are 5 things you want to avoid when listing. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. First of all, do not skip the small stuff. If there are small repairs you think you can pass the task off on the buyer, think again. Buyers shopping today are looking for homes with minimal or no repairs. Visible repair issues, even if they are small, can turn off a buyer and result in a lower offer or demand for concessions. Second, it is important to look at things objectively. With a transition, it is important not to take the things personally or get too emotionally invested in your sale. This can put your sale at risk. Also, be willing to negotiate. If you are unwilling to negotiate, it can put the offer at risk and the buyer can back out. On the rise, buyers have more options and with that comes negotiation power. That is why it is important as a seller to have an agent to negotiate on your behalf without having the offer go south. Do not make the mistake of not using the real estate professional to help to streamline the selling process. And finally, do not make the mistake of overpricing your home. Many sellers are setting their asking price too high, and we are seeing an uptick in homes with price reductions and longer days on the market. An unrealistic price can cause your house to sit, deviate the buyers, lead to appraisal issues, and may cause your home to become stale on the market. Connect with my team and me to get more information and we can strategize what to do with your home. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker, serving buyers and sellers with integrity and excellence. And when you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.